Have you ever heard someone say, I'm filing a case in a civil court? So, what does they actually mean? And what do they file? A complaint, a form, or a document? So, that's what we are going to cover in today's video. So, in legal term, we call it as a plaint. Now, the question is, what is plaint? So, plaint is the official legal document filed by the plaintiff in the civil court. What is the legal purpose of a plaint? So, plaint is filed by the plaintiff, which basically lays down the following things. Now, before telling you that, let's talk about who is plaintiff and who is defendant. So, basically, the plaintiff is a person who files the case or who faces the damages, and the defendant is a person against whom the plaintiff is filing a case. So, basically, the plaint lays down who is a plaintiff. Basically, वो person जो की केस फाइल कर रहा है वो कौन है? Who is the defendant? वो person कौन है जिसके against plaintiff केस फाइल कर रहा है? What is a dispute between the plaintiff and the defendant? उन दोनों के बीच में plaintiff और defendant के बीच में dispute क्या है? And what remedies they are seeking from the court? Whether they want a compensation, injunction or a property. और वो court से क्या remedy demand कर रहे हैं? So this is the legal purpose of plaint. So now let's take one example. There is a person A and there is a person B. So person A lends rupees 1 lakh to person B. After some time, person B refuses to pay back the money to person A. So now here the person A, who is a plaintiff, उसके पास ये right है कि वो civil court जाकर के plaint file कर सकता है against whom? Against person B, जिसने पैसे A से लिए थे. So here the person A has the right to move to the court for seeking compensation or getting back the money he lends to B. So there are some legal provisions related to the plaint. The legal provisions of plaint are mentioned in Order number 7 of CPC, that is Civil Procedure Code 1908. So from the next time, if someone will say that they are filing a case in a civil court, remember that it's all begin with a plaint. So that's all guys. I hope you guys liked this video and this is helpful for you all. So if you want me to cover any legal lingos, you can definitely comment it down. I will definitely try to cover it in my upcoming videos.